Welcome to Puretec's 60-second video series. Today we're taking a look at the SF240-CH, a small shower filter that can have a big impact on your shower water. This small system uses advanced KDF and activated carbon for rapid filtration of chlorine and impurities as the water flows through the shower head. This helps to protect your skin and hair's natural moisture barrier, leaving your skin feeling soft and hair more vibrant. Reducing chlorine will also reduce aggravation of skin conditions like eczema. For some people, this can be a life-changing experience. The shower filter is easy to install and fits on most shower heads. To complete your filtered water experience for the whole bathroom, try installing the Puretec Z2 under sink filter. This provides quality water for face cleansing, teeth brushing, hand washing, and of course drinking. If you want to take it to the next level, the filter wall can provide whole house filtration for every outlet in your home. A shower filter is a great way to easily enhance water quality for your skin and hair. Try it today and feel the difference.